Minister of Works and Housing, Raji Fashola, claimed on TV, on live television, that PDP handed the presidency to Asiwaju Bola Tinubu because of the division in the party that Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, and Kwankwaso contested separately for the election. That was why Asiwaju won. But the truth of the matter is that the three of them, Atiku, Kwankwaso, and Obi, they were in PDP in 2019. Why didn't they win? They didn't win that time because APC allegedly rigged the election. If the APC rigged it in 2019, what stopped them from rigging it in 2023? It is being alleged now that the election was rigged. That was why the presidential election result was not transmitted in real time, even when senatorial and House of Reps results were transmitted. So that is the main reason